Hello everyone and welcome. What we can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. My name is Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board to provide all the analysis is Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Arsenal taking on Chelsea.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Opportunity here, and a goal! Just what the fans wanted to see, the ideal way to begin. On they go again, and Arsenal know they need to wipe out that last goal. An attack full of promise. Oh, really commanding goalkeeping. He's driven in the corner. Not really the ideal clearance. Well, nothing untoward happened. Well, the hosts will be determined to claim all 3 points, and they know if results go their way.
Oh, it could be in here, Derek.
And the keeper has denied him.
Well, I've got to say, Derek, he was always in control of that situation. Brilliant stuff.
It's been whipped towards the near post. But keeper's ball. They'll be disappointed with that delivery. Well, thumped clear. And news of a goal at Anfield. Let's hear more from Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Leeds.
Oh, in with a chance. And it's gone in here. Just what Chelsea fans wanted to see. Their lead extended to 2 goals. So 2-0 now. Well, apologies to Alex for having to cut her off when we did. A clarification, Leeds did score in that game, and they now hold a 1-0 lead. Clark-Salter. And Havertz. He's going forward well here, and the cross not quite imaginative enough. Couldn't grab hold of it. And how well the keeper did.
Well, that's just exceptional. He reacted so quickly there.
Keen to take it short here. He takes aim. And the body in the way. Well, clearly in the mood to make it a double, but fine goalkeeping.
Well, he's playing really well today. That was another decent attempt. This has been a top-class display today. Just look how many chances they've created. And if they want to, they could score a hatful of goals here.
Can they hit on the break? Oh, big chance. Will he? That's a great stop.
Well, his reflexes are so good there. That's a fantastic stop.
Oxlade-Chamberlain. Right, just hearing, ball in the net at Old Trafford. That means we wondered who was going to win the race. The answer, the goalkeeper. Well, we never like cutting off Alex, but sometimes we have to do it for understandable reasons when things are happening. Just to confirm, Arsenal did find the net in that match, and the match is level at 1-1. Had to come up with the ball, and did. Nketiah, chances on. Well, not great defending. Not to be, and still chasing this game.
Well, that was the chance to get back into this. As it is, they're going to struggle now.
Well, not a red card, just a yellow. Interesting one, Stuart.
Well, I have to say, I think the referee's got that absolutely right. I don't think it was a red card. I'm not sure it was a goal-scoring opportunity.
And a strong tackle. Oh, a nice-looking pass. Well, the keeper was called upon and delivered.
Well, he's so good in those 1v1 moments, and he's proved it yet again.
Substitution time it is. Trying to pick out a teammate. And a goalkeeper in great form.
And he's just pulled off an absolutely stunning save there. That is brilliant.
Can someone get on the end of this? No-nonsense clearance. Holding. Here's Oxlade-Chamberlain. 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. bad challenge, and now it's up to the referee in terms of what to do next. And that is going to mean a caution.
The referee is absolutely right. He knew what he was doing there.
And the whistle is sounded for half-time. Well, off and running again, and it was a sublime performance by Chelsea in the first half. Let's see how the second half plays out. On the offensive. And inches away. Didn't miss by very much at all. Well, no shortage of live action coming your way right here on EA TV. And Stuart and I looking forward to being with you for this match.
Well, the fixtures are coming thick and fast. It should be a good game, that. Hopefully I've not just given it the commentator's curse.
Good work to win the ball back high up the pitch. And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Who can they pick out? Oh, a moment of pure class! Unbridled joy for him and the supporters! So the action underway again, and it's turning into a trouncing with Chelsea holding all the aces. It's opening up for them, and intercepted it. "30 minutes to go then. Oyarzabal, really getting stuck in. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Very alert defending to cut off the supply. And no problems whatsoever for the goalkeeper.
Well, as the stats confirm, Chelsea have controlled the ball. And that's been because of their ability to win the ball back so quickly. Their pressing has been excellent, and they just haven't stopped working. It's been a fantastic performance up to now. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV, and we have more action coming up from the Premier League for you. It's Chelsea facing Aston Villa.
Chance here, Derek. In it goes! He scored on his debut, and his fans are loving that. And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0. Speculative effort here. Terrific block. Oh, good reflexes from the keeper, and the danger averted. Time for a change then.
Number 22, Hakim Ziyech.
Short corner routine.
Number 20, Karim.
Can he make it count? Well, body in the way. And the verdict of the officials is offside.
Well, he just gets caught ball watching here. Needs to be more alive, work harder to keep onside, and be ready for the chance.
Kai Havertz. Beautifully disguised ball. Well, nothing comes of it in the end because the flag has gone up, Stuart.
Well, he knew where the space was, but he's just been too eager, and that's why he's offside.
May on the ball. Well, that's wonderful attacking play. Well, defending always has to be a team effort. Good piece of covering. Oh, he's given the ball away. Well, let's see if something comes of this. And they could do damage. And space to cross it. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. And that's gone out of play for what will be a goal kick. Well, the referee has taken note of his name and number.
Well, I think he can count himself a bit unlucky there, but it was certainly a foul.
Well, approaching full time, and this is wearing the look of mission impossible for the home side, Stuart.
Well, where do I start? They've been totally outplayed in all areas of the pitch, but it's their defending that's really been poor today. No structure, too open, not enough desire, and a lack of urgency.
And he's gone for power, so close to finding the net. And 3 minutes of stoppage time to be added on. Pulisic. And Chelsea get the decision from the referee. No yellow card, instead a firm warning from the official. Jake Clark-Salter. And that is the end of the game. It goes into the history books as a home defeat.
It was the